In school, I tried to be invisible, especially in Miss Eubanks' hygiene class.
C, C, and S. Everyone within 3 feet is infected. C, C, and S. What does that mean, Miss DiNatale? Tell the class.
Careless coughers and sneezers.
And what do we do with careless coughers and sneezers? Who can tell the class what we do with careless coughers and sneezers? Tell me what we do with careless coughers and sneezers. Carol.
We make them write a 100-page report, and they have to stand in the corner facing the wall.
No one is allowed in this classroom without a hanky or a tissue. Is that understood, class?
Yes, Miss Eubanks.
Carol, please tell Janice when 20 minutes are up.